Gorgeous, move-in ready pool home in Southeast Cape Coral, ready for new buyers. This immaculately maintained 4-bedroom/2-bath home features a split-bedroom floor plan with a spacious living room, formal dining room, and a separate family room, large master bedroom, with walk-in closet, double sink vanity, step-in glass shower, and separate soaking tub. The 3 guest rooms are also large and spacious, and share a guest bath which goes out to the pool area. Kitchen is nicely updated with new wood cabinetry, dovetail drawers, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, and bathrooms were updated with new cabinetry and granite countertops as well. The paver pool deck is perfect for outdoor Florida living with plenty of space for outdoor dining. Brand new hurricane impact windows are being installed and the HVAC system was replaced in 2016. Under sink row drinking water, fenced yard, whole home water filtration system, assessments are in and paid, and no flood zone, so many features that make this a great home. Centrally located, in a